Riwruoge mag jopuonj KNUT kod KUPPET ochwalo ng'ur margi bang' komiti mar somo e od bura duoko piny kwan mar jopuonj mowinjore medi e ngas mamalo mar tich kowuok e 341 nyaka 214. Jotelo mag riwruogego mane lose kaunti ma Wajir okoni ni thoth jopuonj osebedo katiyo kuom higni buora kende alwora ma chandruok ma ok oyangi ng'enye ka gitiyo to onge lemo mimedogi. Bende riwruok mar jopuonj mar KUPPET odiechieng' manyoro bende nobwogo mar kawo okang' mar chik po ni ogol gwenge moko.
The reduction of 127 promotion slots in Wajir is not just a number. It represents the silencing of the dreams, hard work and rightful aspirations of teachers who have remained committed to their duty under extremely challenging conditions, including insecurity, poor infrastructure and harsh climate. We are even more disturbed by the silence of the Pastoralist Parliamentary Group, PPG, which was formed to advocate for the rights and interests of communities in pastoral regions. Where are their voices now when the very backbone of education in ASAL areas is under attack?
These teachers are retiring on this June. We have a good number across ASAL areas, both for primary and secondary. And we are even next year, a good number are retiring. So this we are even asking for more slots for these teachers as well.
We are pleading with our beloved President, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to intervene on this matter and to come to the rescue of the teachers of the ASAL region.